So, much to my surprise, I haven't been able to find a single unboxing video for these two yet, so I figured, why not? Antz and the Prince of Egypt, the first two movies from DreamWorks Animation, are now finally on Blu-ray. This isn't going to be like that Pokemon video I did a couple years ago. Anyway, let's check it out. Basically the same cover art on the inside. And there's the disc. And now the big one, the Prince of Egypt. Again, same artwork. Basically, Universal's trying to make sure these all fit with their recent re-releases of the DreamWorks catalog. And again, the disc art. So, mini review. The movies look great. They look much better. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.